Ovi kimi tuma phan ke rengwar sai mate me thanga keng tong pen ke pachar ja pon thek je phan pura Karbiang Long Autonomous Council em reteching hi pen bor I ponsi Karbiang Long Tourism sai kama hin pen Dimapur long kedo Nagaland State Institute of Hotel Management Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition along ke pacharli dunjia phan pura bangkret rock sia tuma phana ke joy pen pacharli dunlo Karbiang Long arlo ke ong dung lo charli ke thekari so jangatum Boreng kawe pendang lok thangawar sai kawe penajok kai kia mata Karbiang Long Autonomous Council of Han chulang prongsi do pronglo bang soputak Karbiang Long Autonomous Council tourism sai kam kilang chari bangpu em reteching hi pen matha ponsi Karbiang Long Autonomous Council CM Dr Tuliram rong hang pen chingki than ponlo la so teng pen tourism sai kama hin pen patir pi ponsi owi kimiari soi jangatum kado kawe bang great rock sia tuma pha Nagaland State Institute of Hotel Management Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition along aki joy pen ke pacharli ponche phan pura thon dunsi pacharli ponlo la so teng pen cheklo jon pleng de da phi puthot halabangso along ke charli dun obi kimietum ko anang deng ansi ke thek dun loma bangso puthak kachini jia phan Karbiang Long Autonomous Council em reteching hi pen japonsi Nagaland State Institute of Hotel Management Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition along an palidang bangso hud Tourism Deputy Director Mir Jengrong hangatum chetong dun rinti
dan mga state institutes of hotel management mena orang bahasa adjustment hotel management ahin dalam jadi kita langsung kredit langsung tourism department yang just makan deputy director macam produksi kan itu cuma anak paling kenal itu mana lebih besar
elemen ke dorong ka elemen ke bidang dera elemen ke yang tong dera elemen bangsi taro elemen tong taro elemen jason dera elemen jason punco elemen rosal rong elemen malong tera elemen dorong singde
bang sud haladak kapacharli dun bomari swatuma hin pen kason se pon ason kicho hormu setame paklang pon rinti bang solong ason management hin pacharli dun det pen aphi course bang ke chiklo jon thom so se pen patang dun det aphi cruise ship line hotel management railway long pen international long ansetame labang so course pa judet aphi lote boreng awar sai sitame chepalong dunji awar sai long pon po lapen ke penangan ari so jangatum kaprek state longan labang so course ke endun pen boreng awar sai sitame chepalong pon long lopusi than pon
Great. There is good opportunities in every field. Now we say hotel industry, but generally it is considered as a tourism industry. Now tourism industry have grown up very largely in different fields like hotel industry, cruise industry, shipping industry, even in army, navy, all these things, even in train, yes. So even in train, multi-cuisines and other preparations, all these departments are required. Whatever training they are taking from here, they will be able to join, go for interview and qualify.
Bangsohut State Institute of Hotel Management Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition Dimapur along kahumri damahut kedoanari soe jangatum pen chingki jithan padupon lapenon ke bangji angdung kitia sadlang along ki undun vekji phana hirjume pajirteka News report Bikram Tiron Karbiang Long live